I've been waiting, I've been hurting, 'cause I've been falling. I need your help.
A small question, that what message would you like to give the people of Palestine?
Now the time is difficult for them. Our Islam taught us to have patience.
All Muslims from Australia, we are with Palestine.
They've taught humanity the true purpose of life, and we all should support them.
The dunya is like an exam. So now the exam is it seems like it's very hard for the Palestinian people.
Patience is a great virtue, and the victory, of course, inshallah, is on the way. The light deep down the tunnel.
We are with you. We will fight for you all the way, and you will get your freedom, inshallah.
Allah is with you, and be patient, because Allah says in the Quran, بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن الله مع الصابرين.
Allah is never unaware of what's happening, and so there's always hope.
We're very sad for them, because our leaders, they aren't doing anything. Inshallah, one day Allah will help them.
All of the Muslim community is inshallah with you, and inshallah, you'll get freedom.
Inshallah, if not here, we'll get the Jannah, inshallah, of course.
They're going through a lot right now, so I want to ask them to stay strong. May they know that Allah is on their side. Certainly the next life is way better than this one. That's why they're holding strong.
One day, inshallah, everything will be fine. Palestine will be okay, and we all hope for that.
I don't wanna fight this war. Oh na na, oh na na, oh na na na.